My whole life, I've wanted to go to the Air Force. And obviously, I haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna try my best to find something to do that's kind of close to the Air Force. Not gonna lie, that's actually really fun. But there's still one big problem. The drone flies like a drone. I mean, obviously. But it doesn't fly like a plane. Well, I guess I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'm actually really tired, so.
Remember, look up.
Okay.
And make sure you catch the Jeep.
Gotcha. Okay, well, that's interesting. And after that interesting dream, I went on the computer. And I saw this video of a guy throwing a paper airplane off a building. And I thought, I can make a paper airplane. So I got to work. And making a paper airplane is no easy task. It takes hard work, skill, determination, and a lot of math to get everything just right. Alright, so it doesn't exactly look the best. So I'm just gonna try one more time. Okay, so I may have looked up a paper airplane tutorial, but I still had one problem. Still no building. So I decided to go outside and take a break. And then I remembered my dream.
Remember, look up.
That was it! I'm gonna climb that mountain. Alright guys, on the way to the mountain. It's quite the big mountain. The hike up there wasn't that bad. At the top, let's go! And now it was time. Yeah, okay, it failed. Well, you know what they always say. 2 times the charm. I've actually never heard anyone say that, but, you know, it's good enough.
And make sure you catch the Jeep.
Well guys, don't worry, I got it back. But I'd say that was really cool, except for the first throw. I mean, that wasn't too great. But if you want a chance to win this very paper airplane, it's completely free to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and comment paper. And I'll put you all in one random scrambler thingy and pick one person who gets the paper airplane. Well guys, see you in the next video.